Hi, and welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so glad to be back with you guys today with another DIY tutorial video. I am Valerie Rivas, the CEO of Royale Classy Creations, where we create customized classy designs that showcase our customers' individual style, leaving their guests astounded. I wanted to tell you guys about some very exciting stuff that we have going on. First, before we get started, I have a DIY class that is going to be taking place here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. For those that are residing in Milwaukee, can definitely come out to the class. I will give that information. Also, more exciting news that we have a live telecast going on as well. So for those that are not residing here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, I wanted to make sure that everyone would be able to join us for this class. So I will definitely leave that information for you in the closing. And you guys, please sign up. I would love to see you all there or see you on that telecast, and give us a shout out. And as always, please subscribe to our channel and share, share, share. Thank you so much, and we're just gonna go ahead and get started, okay? So first, what you're gonna need is you're gonna need your base. I got this at Walmart for about $4. It's really nice and it's very heavy, very sturdy. So it's going to be great for this centerpiece. This oval shaped cylinder vase got at the Walmart for about $4 as well. They have a lot of them now because of the Valentine's Day. You're going to need your candle holder from the Dollar Tree. Tea light holders from the Dollar Tree. You're going to need your plate from the Dollar Tree as well. Your round foam, that's also from the Dollar Tree. And the ball that goes on top of this centerpiece, I had this already from a New Year's design that I made. This is really easy to make. I'll actually leave instructions for that as well. It's very easy, very fun. You can make this at any time. And we're going to add that to the top of our design here. By the way, I want to thank all of those that were on the Facebook challenge that came up with this design that they wanted recreated. So the other thing that you're going to need is your assortment of flowers. And I'm going to be using blue and purple and white. So whatever assortment of flowers that you want to use for your pieces, it's fine. Whatever colors, whatever flowers you would like to use is fine. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I'll be right back. Okay, so first we're going to take our base, and we're going to take our candle stand, and we're going to place it on the base. I'm sorry. So we'll get our trusty glue gun. We should have done this part first. So that'll be a blooper. Apply a little pressure. And then we're going to set this to the side and let it dry for a while. So while we're letting that dry, we can actually take our larger vase here, and then you're going to take your tea light holder, because you're going to place that right on top of here. You're going to place that on top of here and make sure it's centered, because this will turn over and go on top of the base. So we'll go ahead and do that, and this time we'll do it right first time. Trusty Gorilla Glue. And then we'll get our glue gun. And we're going to be really generous with the glue, because this is going to be a very tall, very heavy centerpiece, and you don't want it falling apart on you during an event or even trying to create it. So you want to make sure that it's centered. And apply some pressure there. And then we're going to set this aside so that it can dry as well. And we'll come back and we'll get everything put together, and then we'll finish it up, okay? So while we are giving that a little more time to dry, what we're going to do is start working on our top piece, which is going to contain our flowers, and then our ball is going to go in the center. So what we need to do is take our foam and we're going to glue it to the plate, and then we'll start putting our flowers together in the arrangement that we would like to put them in. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll come back, and then we can start to put everything together, and that way you'll see how everything goes in the order that it goes in. Okay? So look at how beautiful that turned out. And the way I got it to look so big and round is that I cut the stems really long. So what you have is just a bunch of long stem flowers that are added to the floral foam. So I'm going to go ahead and put everything together, and then I'll be back and I'll show you the finished project. So here it is, guys, and I can tell you it turned out awesome, awesome, awesome. I would like to add more crystals to it. I'm thinking I may do that, but I'm going to post pictures at the end for you guys so you can see how beautiful that turned out. So thank you once again for tuning in. Please subscribe to our channel so that you can receive more videos and updates regarding Royale Classy Creations and what we have going on. And as always, be Royale, be classy, and be creative.